Today we'll be making a bath soak of eucalyptus and peppermint. The materials you will need are 1 cup of Epsom salts, half a cup of baking soda, 10 drops of peppermint oil, 10 drops of eucalyptus oil, and a few drops of green food coloring. That is optional. You start by combining your 1 cup of Epsom salts and your half a cup of baking soda. Give it a little mix up. Next, we add our 10 drops of peppermint oil. Then 10 drops of eucalyptus oil. If you prefer a less fragrant bath soak, I recommend using a few less drops of each. I wouldn't use too many more. This is a pretty strong bath soak. Now, if you choose to give your bath soak a color, you will add a few drops of food coloring. Pull the air out of the bag, ziplock your bag, and start to mix. Once everything is combined and mixed up well, we're going to put the bath soak in a container of your choice. And then we are done and ready to use. Enjoy!